What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe from joesdaily.com. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that, to be honest, a couple years ago I never thought I'd review on my channel, but here we are. I saw it on my Facebook feed, advertised to me, and I was very eager to give it a go. So let's just get right into it. So the product today is by a company, Axel Glade, and this is their Spade product, which what they're calling is the smartest earwax remover on the market. So it's an earwax remover. Now, as I said before, I never thought I'd be talking about earwax on my channel, but you know, I'm getting older and I just want to start taking care of my body. And I guess one of the things is to keep track of what's in my ear. I don't know. So why is this cool? Well, a lot of people traditionally will use a Q-tip, a cotton swab, I guess you'd call it, to clear out their ears. But you know, over the years, I've always been told, like, don't do that, or you shouldn't do it too often, or yada, yada, yada. Basically, a lot of people don't realize that earwax is actually good for your ear canal. It keeps it lubricated. So before I get into this unboxing and before I actually get to the review, I just want to say I'm going to put a timestamp down below in the description if you guys want to jump right to the actual of me using the product. I understand that a lot of people don't really care about the unboxing part of it, so I'm going to leave that timestamp down below. Without further ado, let's just open this box and see what's inside. So I already unraveled the plastic, so let's just get right in here. So as I said, the name of this brand is Axel Glade. They do not have another product on the market currently. This is their first product. When you open it up, you see a little hello, welcome message here. So I'm assuming this is gonna have the various attachments and whatnot, maybe the charging cord. And here is the Spade. Looks like it's on a little stand. I'm assuming this is a charging stand. So yeah. So here's the Spade itself, the actual Spade. And then here is the charging port. I believe this is a USB-C. I'm always bad with the peripherals, but I believe this is a USB-C, which I'm sure I'll see in a second. But yeah, there you go. There's the charging stand. It's actually sleek looking. I know you guys can't see here. I'll do this. Actually, there you go. A little bit in focus. That looks like a pen, right? Like the size of a pen. Actually, it is literally the size of a pen. So on the back of the box, it says Midnight Blue, which is obviously the name of the color. I would assume they put that there specifically because they're probably gonna have more colors down the road. I don't really see why that's important. I think that actually the blue looks really nice. Like I wouldn't mind having this on my, bathroom counter or whatever. So I don't know. I mean, I have no news on that. I don't know if you guys even care about colors, but just wanted to point that out. So let's see what's inside here. I don't know the names of these things. I actually went to their website to see if I could find what these all are. But it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. These are various attachments for your ears. Now, I assume there's an FAQ or something on their website. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go right in and try this because I don't want to waste your time. But if I find that these are completely different, like game changers, I should say, in reviewing this, then I will do a follow-up video and let you guys know, or put it on my blog post on joesdaily.com. But for now, here is the USB-C cord. There is other attachments in like these little vials here. I don't really know. These look like these are like little buffers for after you're done, like do the essential clean out. So I guess this could come in handy, but I don't really think I'm gonna do that today. And these look like additional tips to put on, because I'm assuming if you're gonna share this with your family, you don't wanna be doing the same tip, so you probably change it out and put it on, stuff like that. And then there's like these little brushes, which they look like they would tickle your ear. So I'm not gonna try this today. And like I said, I'm sorry this isn't like a super thorough review because I'm really excited to get into the actual, I'm gonna call this a pen, maybe a wand. I don't know what they call this, but the Spade itself, I'm gonna get into this. I don't think I need to charge it because most things come with a charge already. So cross your fingers that is true. Quick side note, I wanted to point something out because I'm an idiot and I didn't read the directions until literally the end of making this video. I didn't realize there was a directions booklet inside of this. I missed it. So excuse me for this. But I did want to point out something really neat. Once again, going further with their amazing design, Axel Glade made this. You just spin it open like this, and this shows you the various ear picks. So there are the ear picks that you can take in and out and replace on your device. And even further, to actually do that, you actually just screw off the top right here. There's a little screw. You can see it, and you just screw it off and then screw it back on. So it's actually fairly easy. It's right in the directions. But I wanted to put that side note out there because I'm a schmuck. And I literally found these directions after filming all the other part, like the entire video itself. So sorry about that. So if people aren't aware already, basically the Spade, the way this is gonna work, is that there's a camera inside. And once you put it in your ear, it wirelessly transmit via their app called Spade on your iOS device or your Android device. So what I'm gonna do is I already downloaded the app. I'm gonna hook it up to the app so that when I take this off, the camera gets activated and I'm able to actually see in my ear as well as clean it. So a little pro tip for those that maybe just got this and didn't know how to connect it, because I was having a little bit of an issue myself. I took the cap off, so you can see the cap is off now. I did that, and then I saw the light blinking here around the ring, which basically meant it was probably trying to connect to my phone. I connected to the Wi-Fi, now I'm using on the app, and now you can see I can actually, my camera is actually working. So this is the first time me using this. I'm a little bit nervous what I'm gonna find. So we're gonna go ahead and just start doing this, and you're gonna see what's in my ear, I guess, and I'm gonna clean it out. So here we go. So I'm looking on the app here, and you're gonna see the same thing on the screen. Oh, that is so, look at all that hair. Oh my God, I'm getting old. This is so gross. Can't see. Oh, there we go. Now, you obviously don't want to jab it in your ear. I actually have a pretty clean ear. I guess I should do the other one. That was pretty clean. So, I mean, to be fair, I did do a Q-tip this morning, or a cotton swab. So maybe that's why my ears are so clean. And I mean, obviously I try not to do it too much because earwax is good. It's like a natural lubricator for your ear, but there are some people that have massive buildup and they don't realize it. So I guess it's good to not always use a Q-tip because you are pushing it back. But if you use something like this, you're able to gently go in, and rather than push, you can scrape around it. So let's try my left ear. I'm gonna switch the thing just to be, I know it's me. I mean, I don't have to switch my thing. I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, so I switched. So let's see the left ear. So gross. Oh, there's some wax there. Oh, that's gross. I'm sorry you guys had to see that. That wasn't too bad, but you could start to see a little bit. I almost want to do this after doing like 3 days of not cleaning my ears, just to really get in there and see what's in there. But this is super cool. Well, that was quite the experience. This is pretty neat. I want my wife to do it to see what she has in her ear. Like I said, I'm gonna wait a few days and actually not clean my ears for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, and then do this and just to see the result. This is so trippy. Like, I never thought of a product like this. But then, like I said, it came across my Facebook feed and I was interested in trying it. And apparently there are other companies out there doing this, but I will say this, Axel Glade has a great design to them. Everything from the packaging, I mean, it's got a magnetic cap. You can see here, magnetic. It's got the nice little stand there. So to be honest, this is definitely something, as I said before, I would totally have this on my countertop, charging and whatnot. Yeah, overall, I think it was a cool experience. I love the idea of maybe going away from Q-tips. You know, this is only $99 right now. I don't know how long their deal's going on, but they have a New Year offer, 22% off. The normal cost is $126.99. Now it's $99. This is not a sponsored post. I'm just letting you know, if you're interested in trying this or buying this as a gift, it's only $100 right now. I don't know if there's free shipping. I'm assuming there might be. Oh, free shipping and returns. Okay, so there you go. But yeah, this is pretty neat. Definitely something that would be a fun gift or just a family thing you guys do together. But yeah, just be careful when you're doing it. I don't think I went too deep, but it definitely feels like I went deeper than a Q-tip. But I was doing it very slowly and watching the camera and making sure I was okay. I also watched a few videos of professionals doing this before doing this video, because obviously I don't want to damage my eardrum or anything, but I'm pretty sure Axel Glade designed this specifically so you wouldn't do that. They even say it's good for all ages, but the one thing they do say is if you're going to have a child using this, make sure you are the one doing it, not the child. So pretty safe, you know, pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, Axel Glade, pretty cool product. Definitely would recommend buying it. It's not super expensive, especially right now with their deal. And yeah, a nice little tool, nice little grooming tool for all ages. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. I put out videos almost every single week, sometimes twice a week. But yeah, I'm doing unboxings, I'm doing reviews, and a little bit of vlogging and whatnot here and there. If you guys want to follow me on my social channels, all the links are down below, as well as links to Axel Glade and anything else I might mention in any video is usually where the description comes in handy. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.